Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to keep the same meeting ID in all your meetings. So first you will need to start or open your Zoom desktop client and follow these steps. Now you should sign in with your account to the desktop client, and if you don't already have an existing account, just create a new one or sign in with Google, Facebook or Apple accounts. After that, you will be redirected in the home page here. So now, as you can see, when I'm going to the meetings, you will find this menu here or this pop-up window. So basically, to leave or make the meetings with the same ID, you will need to change the meeting ID from here. So after clicking on meetings, as I said, we click on upcoming schedule meetings, and you should make it a personal meeting ID, because as you can see here, personal meeting ID does not change at all. So now you will schedule a meeting, and you should always making it like with a personal meeting ID, and it will stay the same. Or you can go to your web portal, your Zoom web portal like this, and you sign into it. After that, you should go to the settings here and go to meetings. Then you will need to go to the schedule meeting tab here, and we're going to click on it, and as you can see, there is an option here down that is called use personal meeting when scheduling a meeting. So basically, when enabling this personal meeting feature, you will by default always use personal meeting when you are going to schedule a meeting. And also you can do it for instant meetings, so you can enable these ones too, and like this you can have and use the same ID for all your meetings. Another thing, you can edit your personal meeting ID, so you will have an editable or customized ID for your meetings, but it will requires you to have like a premium version of Zoom. So here, after clicking on the profile, here we go to the meeting section, and as you can see, this is the personal meeting ID, and you can edit it. But as you can see, only the paid user can choose a personal meeting ID. So basically, if you have already like a premium version of Zoom, you can like edit your personal meeting ID and have them the same ID for all your meetings. And after, you will just click save, and that's it. So basically, those are the ways to set your meeting ID at the same for all the meetings. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.